This 2021 Jayco Eagle 31 megabytes is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, TV, leveling jacks, microwave, external shower. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-bunk, rear dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.